How you doing, guys? Good afternoon from the west of Ireland. This is Leonard Ben coming at you with another short video. Haven't done a video in quite a while. I've been so busy in the crypto space. I just said I'd hop on and share this little opportunity that me and the guys hopped on there recently. This is the Bytex. It's the new generation of cryptocurrency platform. It's an exchange, crypto exchange, guys. But they got a passive opportunity built into their platform. So over here, you got to go to the main page first. So this is the crypto exchange that we're on now, and this is their website. Okay, it's the Bytex network. Okay, so now I've got another page here open where I already logged in. Now, in here, you can earn the Bucks token. The Bucks token is currently at 16 cent. Personally, I've earned $1,053 from the platform already. This came in this morning, I think, 64. I got a few people here, 86 people that joined the platform. Kind of a team I got going on, but half of these haven't done anything, you know. So you have an option to grow a team in here. Let's go over to my team. I'll run over the platform briefly anyway. So I got a team here of 86 people. Personally invited 17. See, I only got a handful active. So, gotta run down to finance, okay? And see what's going on. Now, the Bucks token is similar to Binance. You know, Binance got their BNB, which is about $30 at the moment. The Bucks token would be the native coin for the Bucks exchange. This is the crypto exchange here. So this is a fresh exchange. They got some cool features in there that other cryptocurrency exchanges don't have, you know. So it's a good one to be part of moving forward. It's out of Germany. Great team behind it with lots of experience in the crypto space, you know. That's what we always look for. Good solid team behind it with a vision, you know. Before they break into the American market, they want to make it big here in Europe first, you know. But this is available in the USA as as we speak, this moment in time. But it is pretty new, you know. So the Bucks token will be going up in value. There'll be a lot of tokens burnt and so forth. The more people use their crypto exchange, you know. So I have a little balance in here at the moment of 395. I did take out about 500. I took out $500 there yesterday. I'm going to show you in here. It should be under my finances actually. Here you can see, look. Token bonus. So I've earned these tokens from other people that come in and use the platform. So you can earn matching bonus, binary bonus, lots of ways to accumulate the Bucks token. Okay. Now they accept. How are you going to buy the Bucks token? You're probably asking yourself. You can come over here, click on the Bitcoin logo, grab this Bitcoin address, send your Bitcoin to here. When the Bitcoin reflects on your account, you go over and buy some Bucks token. Maybe here. If you have, let's say 0.2 Bitcoin, so 0.2, that would give you 16,353. You just click buy here, then you know. And once you buy the Bucks token, you can come over here and buy a plan. Let's run over the plans for a second. So they have a couple of plans in here. This one is silver plan, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and VIP. Now, once you buy a plan, you'll get these percentage 3.85% per week on the silver. You receive 4.23 on the gold per week. So you're gonna earn the Bucks token as it's going up in value. This is fantastic, guys. We also do a matching bonus here, you know, and so forth. So the higher plan you get, the more Bucks token you'll actually earn, and you can share it out through the referral program. You get a matching bonus. Binary limit here on the gold is 20,000 bucks. So if you go over here onto the platinum, for example, you get 20% on your level 1, 15% on your level 2. The gold will give you a 20% matching bonus. So yeah, guys, this can be very lucrative as the coin is going up in value, you know. Most of these exchanges, they did do ICOs, initial coin offerings, but the Bucks network actually went down the marketing route, rewarding members with the Bucks token as it's increasing in value. Now, when I joined this, it was about 10 cent. It's gone up to 16 cent already. Now, could you imagine this when it hits a couple of dollars and you're sitting on a heap of Bucks token? You are in the money, and you can always flip them for Bitcoin as well, you know. For example, once you earn your Bucks token, come over here where it says exchange, and you can exchange your, just looking here, you can exchange your Bucks token here. For example, how many have I got in my account at the moment? For example, I got 395 at the moment, so 395. And if I wanted to convert that to Bitcoin, I'd get 0.0044 Bitcoin. I just click here, pay a small commission, and I can receive the bucks back in Bitcoin, you know. So it's pretty lucrative. Great little system, great little platform. So I said I'd share that with you today, guys. If you like it, I'd leave a link below the video, and you can start earning Bucks token as it's going up in value, you know. So yeah. Now I'm gonna share something else as well. We do have a group over here on Facebook. Well, we got a chat group on Messenger. Gotta wait there for it to pop up. 1 second. My computer seems to run slow when I'm running this Screen-O-Matic software. So I'm gonna move this out of the way for 1 second. So we got a group here on Messenger. It's the Bytex Irish and Friends. I got my good friend Yanko from Spain. He's in here. I got a few friends in the United States. A couple of guys in Poland. All over. We got kind of a mixed bag going on. So we have a little community here on Messenger. If you'd like to be added into the Messenger group, let me know. Okay, I'd be glad to add you in there and see how we're all stacking up on bucks. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, and like to know more about the Bucks token, give me a thumbs up, and the link will be below the video in the description. And if you'd like to join the chat group, let me know as well. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. And yeah, touch base. Catch me over here on Facebook. Where am I? Oh, here I am here. Here I am. Just gonna pop over there to my Facebook profile so you know where to find me. As soon as this warms up, give me a second there, and I close out a few of these pages. So find me here on Facebook, okay? I'm gonna go over onto my main profile page so you know where to look. If you want to track me down, I'm easy to find. I'm obtainable. We absolutely love our crypto here in the west of Ireland. stacking up on Bitcoin and altcoins on a daily basis. It's how we rock, guys. It's how we rock. Just gotta wait here for this page to pop over. Fucking very slow. Okay, guys, this is my Facebook page here. If you want to track me down, pop over onto Facebook, send me a message. I'd be glad to talk to you, no problem. Anytime at all, guys. So just give me a shout. Links below the video if you want to pop into the Bytakes platform and connect with me here on Facebook to be added into the chat group. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope I didn't bore you too long. Catch you in the next video. Keep it real out there.